My all-time favorite candy bar. Hey guys, did you have a nice Halloween? Did a lot of kiddos come by your house this year and get candy? Let's just say I have a lot of candy left over that I bought to pass out to kids. I mean, why not? I could just eat all the candy. Yum, I could share it, give it to Nancy, give it to Karen. Or, I mean, we've kind of candied out by now. We've had a whole season of being locked in our houses, wearing sweatpants and eating candy, right? Thank you, lockdown. What do you do with all this Halloween candy? Bake cookies, of course. So let's bake some cookies. So it's just a basic cookie recipe, and then you just add whatever Reese's Pieces or chopped up Reese's or chopped up Hershey bars. I don't know what it would taste like to have an Almond Joy in my cookie, but just chop up your candy bars and you're gonna, well, see, I'm not gonna do all of it in there because I think that might taste weird, and besides, I can't eat Kit Kats, so then I would be poisoning the cookies for me because of the wheat in them. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a basic cookie recipe and then add the fun part, the candy bars from Halloween. So we need a cup of butter, and I am excited because now my favorite season is just around the corner. I mean, Halloween's nice, the leaves are changing, it's fun to see kids in costumes, candy everywhere, but boy, I really prefer Thanksgiving and Christmas. Christmas is my favorite. And Thanksgiving, yeah, it's nice too, but boy, it's around the corner now. 1 cup of butter, so 2 sticks of butter, and we need a cup of flour. Of course, I use a gluten-free flour mixture. We've preheated our oven to 350 degrees. We're going to... I did that wrong. Oh well. We're gonna do the all-in method. I am going to put my butter, flour, and sugar and salt, and we're gonna mix it that way. I should have creamed my sugars and butters, duh, but I didn't do that. So we're just gonna do the all-in method because I don't want to waste all my ingredients. So let's do that. We need a cup of sugar, and I need 3 cups of flour, not 1. Sugar, a cup of firmly packed brown sugar. So we're going to cream my 2 sugars and butter and a random cup of flour together. We'll add the other 2 later. Okay, so I have 2 teaspoons of hot water here, and I add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add that. And add my eggs. Need 2 eggs. So that is nice and mixed up. I'm going to get a parchment lined cookie sheet, and then I'm gonna add, I'll just show you. I forgot my 2 cups of flour. That's why it looks funny. I must have been rough last night. Alright, I need 2 more cups of flour. There we go, that's better. There we go. Now I have a basic cookie recipe, and I'm going to just add my candies individually into each cookie. That's my plan. I could literally just make some sort of monster cookie with every type of candy bar in there, but I don't want to do that because, like I said, I don't want to poison myself with a Kit Kat. So, that's what I'm going to do. Take 2! We can do this! There we go. I take some of my dough. I get my Reese's. And I'm going to just mash it in there. There we go. There's a Reese's cookie. 1. So now I'm just going to chop up my peanut butter cups and do the same thing that I did with my Reese's Pieces. Now won't that be good? Oh, yum. And yeah, I'm purposely making enormous cookies. Here these are. I'm just gonna put these in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Okay, we have Hershey's left, which is basically putting a giant chocolate chip in there. I'm not gonna cut this into tiny pieces. I'm just gonna break it up along the scored lines here. And there are like a zillion ways to use up your Halloween candy. I mean, if you don't want your kids having it, you could obviously just throw it away. You can make fudge, you can make cake, you can make a giant cookie with everything in it. You could, if you don't have allergies like I do. I've seen somebody take all their candy bars and melt it all together, and they made this giant, icky looking candy bar. They seem to have liked it, but it seemed a little sketchy to me. There's all sorts of ways you can use up your Halloween candy. I don't think I'm going to use the Kit Kats. They can just eat those. Okay, let's see what happens with an Almond Joy. Not sure what I'm going to think about that cookie. Alright, big chunks of Almond Joy. Okay, see you guys in 15 minutes. Alright, let's see what the cookies look like. You can make cookies or cakes or all sorts of things that are delicious. Well, there we have it. What do you do with all that leftover Halloween candy? You make cookies, of course. Well, shall I try one? Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? I'm gonna try one.
Got my eyes on you.